a new setup for my room. Um, since I'm getting a job this summer, I'm gonna start getting more money. So by the end of the year, I should have like a good $2,000 to spend, and that's way uh, more enough for me to set up my room. So um, these are the things basically what I'm gonna buy. Um, wait, um, so the first thing I'm buying is obviously the desk setup. First thing I'm buying. So I'm buying two of these drawer desks, kind of. They're from obviously from what's it called? Yeah, IKEA. Um, cause they're like the cheapest place to like go when it comes to like desks and furniture and stuff. They're not really more of a tech place. They're just more, they just sell products like, comfort and stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna buy it. These two, which this is like a shelf kind of on the right, but it's like meant for desks too. So, this is the monitor I might be getting because these are the new LG ultra wide screen TV, also the curved TV. So I might buy two of these suckers and then hook them up so it looks like there's all in one. So this is a possible computer tower because um, knowing the LG TV, um, it probably can withstand a lot of games on it, but I don't trust that it does. So I'm just gonna buy this, um, cause it also has those little lights in it, so you can customize it. My when it comes to customizing my room, I want to go for a teal color. So yeah, either teal or blue. That's what I'm really going for. Um, when it comes to wall paneling, I don't really want to go crazy when it comes to the wall paneling. Um, yeah, like I'm probably gonna put wall paneling like on the door and near my parents' room, because if we like, let's say, are playing games and it's loud in here, they won't really be able to see it. It's probably gonna, hear it. So that's gonna be good. And I'm also getting extra shelving for my closet because for some reason my closet, when we moved in, my closet didn't have a shelf on it inside the closet, and my sister did. So I'm just gonna buy it. When it comes to my TV, the TV I'm buying, this is a 43-inch Vizio TV. Either you can go for this one, or you can go for the LG 43-inch TV. They're pretty much the same price. Just the LG TV is, I think, a little bit more expensive, of like $10 or $15 more expensive. So it's not a big difference. I might get the LG TV instead. I don't know. Mouse and keyboard setup. This is the Logitech keyboard. It lights up. You can change the colors when you can, like, you hold, I think, control, and then you press one of the F buttons, like the FN or something, F5 or something, and it changes colors. And there's cycle mode where it cycles through the colors, and there's also where you can just change the color where it's like just flashing the color you want. When it comes to mouse, this is like the best gaming mouse out there, the Logitech MX Master wireless mouse. Um, it's really good for performance when you're playing, let's say, first-person shooters, and you have to have, let's say, high sensitivity on. Um, so yeah, you can, do that. Um, when it comes to consoles, I'm gonna buy the Xbox One Farzin edition because, first of all, I love Farzin. I love racing games in general, and two, it has 1 terabyte of you know data, so I can download a lot of other stuff like games and stuff. If I want to buy a game off of the Xbox, I can, but I don't really want to do that. I'm just gonna buy the disc. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna go for this, and I forgot to put in certain games that I want to get, but I'll put that in the next episode. Um, it comes to the screen, my LG screen, I'm gonna show you if I get to set it up or whatever. I have enough money to set it up. And I get it done. If I get it done, set it up. I'm gonna show you guys a video. Because I'm obviously also gonna get a new phone because I'm currently using my tablet, and my tablet's not really like that good, and I haven't been posting videos for a while because my old tablet like broke, it just stopped working for some reason, and then the other one just stopped working again, and then I got my phone, I lost that phone, and then now I have this tablet, so now I'm recording. Um, I'm not gonna do daily videos because I have a life and I'm not some freaking committed YouTuber that always posts YouTube videos every single day. But yeah, and this channel is gonna be more of gaming and also tech videos because why not? There's nothing else to really do because gaming is like a big YouTube thing, and almost everyone's doing it, and not many people do tech videos. I've seen like a few channels online on YouTube, let's say, of tech unboxing, like unbox therapy, and your average consumer and stuff. Just like that's it. But and they don't post it that much either. So um yeah, I'm not gonna be some crazy committed YouTuber that always posts YouTube videos. So yeah. Um so yeah, when it comes to the screen, I like the LG because one, first of all, it's the newest version of the LG desktop. Two, it's really good for gaming and editing videos, and also what's it called? I want to buy like a wall mount for the desktops. So like, let's say like you see this little bar on the bottom that helps it stand up. I don't want that. I'm gonna take that off, and then I'm gonna put a wall mount on the wall and hook it up to a wall and stuff. I have a bunch of stuff planned. Next video I'm gonna do another video of top five, um, no, top 10 tech um, gadgets that you can buy that's under $50 or $60. Because a lot of people, let's say, are going back to school, are gonna go back to school next year and stuff. Especially me when I'm going to high school, you you're mostly gonna need a new laptop. Let's say portable chargers, because let's say you're using your phone pretty much all day and stuff. So yeah. This I don't like this that much because I might like if I get this, I might buy parts for it and hook it up better, a little bit better. I might put in what's it called? Liquid cooling inside of it if it doesn't have, because if most regular cooling vents do not really work that much, and gaming computers don't work very well with just the standard cooling uh, insulation thing. So I might upgrade this to I might upgrade, like, take buy a new part. So yeah, I might buy the liquid cooling system for this if they don't have it. Um, the foaming, I don't know what color I should get, plain black or black and red, or black and blue, because they also come in 12 in a pack, which is not even bad. Um, I might buy like, I think four you know sets of them at least, because let's say if something gets messed up, or it rips or something, let's say, or the door messes it up when my freaking brother slams the door. Um, so yeah, when the TV, I also want to hook up to the wall, but my wall is concrete, so like really solid, and if you put a screw in there and put the wall on it, it's even if it's light, it's 43 inches, so it's gonna have a little bit of weight to it. So if that screw gets loose from it, it'll come off. But I have an idea of how. I'm gonna buy I'm gonna buy concrete anchor screws so that way it'll stay in place. So because those screws are they're mostly 100% made for concrete walls. So yeah, because these are also thick concrete walls that you know I can't even put anything in it, and I also want to put shelving up for displays and stuff. So um for this mouse, I don't know. There's a few other mouses that are a little bit better than this one, but I do recommend this one. And also for the Logitech keyboard, this one's like one of the best keyboards around. So yeah. The console, um, I wish they got it in like a black, but I'm looking. There's this new website called colorware.com, and I was looking at it. I was browsing through it, like seeing custom emotes. I was seeing different color schemes and different customs. And there's also another website called Controller. I think it's Controller Chaos or something like that. .com, and you can really customize your remotes like really nice. They look too elite. So yeah. Um, thanks for so much for watching. I'm sorry.